Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Sinugba Pompano. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have onions, ginger, tomatoes, pompano, salt and pepper, kikkoman sauce, canola oil, and asparagus. Now, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna mix all these ingredients and we're gonna stuff that into the pompano right here, okay? And then we're gonna wrap it with a foil and bake it for 350 degrees for an hour in our oven with our asparagus. So let's proceed to the mixing. Now let's put our onions, our ginger, okay, our tomatoes, and then put some salt. All right, and then you can put garlic, pepper, and a little of kikkoman sauce. Now we'll mix it with our hands, and we're gonna stuff this into the inside the pompano. Now let's get our pompano. Put the stuffing inside, okay, and then once the stuffing is in, we will use a cooking twine to secure this to secure the stuffing inside, okay? So I think we have enough. Now we have this pompano now. We use cooking twine to secure the stuffing. So we're gonna spray first canola oil so it won't stick on the on our when we bake it. Okay. So we spray the foil with oil, and then put our fish in. Spray with the oil also on the fish. All right, and then we will bake it. Okay. Now we have to close it like this. All right, and that's it. This is ready for baking. Now we're gonna do also the asparagus, okay? Spray oil, okay? And then we'll put our asparagus, put a little of black pepper and a little of salt, and then we're gonna bake this for 30 minutes. All right, then close it like this, so the juice will stay inside, so it won't be dry. So these two, they're ready, and we're gonna bake it for 350 degrees in our oven. The fish for 1 hour, the asparagus for 30 minutes. So I'll be right back. After 1 hour of baking, the pompano is done. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna unwrap this and grill it for 5 minutes each side. So we have our grill here heating up, and we'll put the pompano. So the pompano is done baking now. We're gonna transfer it to our grill right there. Here you go. Our pompano is on the grill. We're gonna grill it 5 minutes each side. After 10 minutes of grilling, let's check our pompano. Wow. Wow, this is done. So we will transfer this into our serving dish, and we'll be right back. Here's our finished product, Sinugba Pompano. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.